Hey, I'm Marissa. Let's draw an angel crewmate and it's going to be a surprise fold. The first step we're going to take is to take the top and fold that to the bottom, just like this. Once you have that part down, take the top half and then fold that up to the top. Make that crease. Now we're going to get the paper and flip it over. We'll take that bottom side and then put that to the top. If I'm going too fast, just pause the video. Now we're going to open it up and you should have a paper that looks like this. Now take that top half and fold it down. Get your marker or pencil. I'm going to use another paper to put in the back so my marker doesn't bleed behind it. Now once you have that down, let's make some clouds. To make clouds, they're just little bumps everywhere. And I'm going to make this cloud go past that line and keep bumping around until you close up your little cloud. Okay, there's one cloud. We're going to make some in the sky here too. Just like this. And maybe put some right here. There we go. Now you can add more down here, or you can open it up. And once you open it up, you should have a paper that looks like this. What we're going to do is try to close off that top cloud by making bumps and then close it up. At the bottom, same thing, just make bumps until you close it off. Perfect. Now let's draw our angel crewmate in the middle. The first step we're going to take is to draw a big curve that goes around and down. Now we're going to go in a bit for the leg, and then we're going to go up and then over. Once you have that, go in the middle of that line and make another curve for that leg. Now once you have that curve, go up just a bit and stop where you want your visor to be. And we're going to make a oval for the visor, just like this. Now leave a little bit of room right here for your halo. We're going to make an oval at the top, and then in that oval make another one in the middle. Perfect. Now let's make some wings on the back here. Our first wing is going to go up just like this, and then we're going to go down. Let's go down again, and then one more time down just a bit. Looks good. Now we're going to make another wing kind of going across this way. So start about here and then make a spiral that touches your crewmate like this. And then once you have that touched, try to make it touch that other line that we ended up on. Now get that line and curve it up to the top. Now we're going to go down and in. We'll make another down and in a little longer. Another time. And then one more to finish it off. Perfect. Now let's make that pack kind of come out from behind the wings just a bit and in. That looks great. Now you can leave it like this, or you can add some more clouds. I'm gonna just add some more. That'd be kind of fun. I'll put one right here and another right here. Looks great. Now let's color it in. We have our angel surprise fold crewmate. So let's open it up here it is. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe for brand new drawings. I will see you next time. Bye!